Hi, here's Simon and I'm giving you another video from my channel. I got that BB gun from a site called justbbguns.co.uk, and yeah. So, as you can see here, there's a warning sign with all the warning stuff and things like that. And here's all the revolvers. So, I'll open the box now. So, I opened the box, and in the box there is a paper. It's an invoice. Where to it has to be sent. So yeah, put that here. There's information about the weapon. So cartridge, BB bullets, things like that. There's a Q&A in Chinese and English, which BBs you should use and not use. There's the warning stuff in English and Chinese, and there is 2 shooting targets. So, in the box you can find there's cartridges, a plastic thingy. There is 8 cartridges inside. There is 6 that goes into the mag, and 2 spares. So there's some 12 grams blue BBs, and there's the gun. So on the gun you'll find a safety cap. So whenever your gun is loaded, you have to put the safety cap on so it won't shoot. And yeah, so all the parts that are black are metal, and all the parts that are orange are plastic. The trigger is actually metal, and the hammer is metal. The sight is metal, and yeah, things like that. Here, the little black thing next to the trigger, there's a safety. When you put it to the front, the safety's off. When you put it to the back, the safety's on. So, put it back. When you pull that back, the mag just comes out. Put it to the front, it's just on. You can't move it. So now I'm going to show you how to load the mag and how to shoot. So when you loaded the gun and you've got all your BB bullets in, you can close the mag and pull the hammer back and shoot. Now I'm going to show you how to shoot with the BB gun. Just let me move this stuff. On the English flagged pillow. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, and 6. So when you get all your BBs out, you just can pull this to the front, and all your cartridges just come out. So if you like this video, just give me a like button and comment. So I'm out. Peace.